Let nature heal your heart. Let it be a start to be honest to your own. Let it heal in the sunbeams when it's cold and your heartbeat seems so far away. But you know you're true inside. You used to dance with your heart open wide. Let the wind be good when you have to decide if you have to leave or fight. Let a flower reach your mind to make your thoughts kind. You'll believe strong, like the words slipping from your tongue. Let the birds take your sorrow and all your thoughts of tomorrow. Make them bright like the first morning night. But you know you're true inside. You used to dance with your heart open wide. And the moon will kiss you soon. Good night, I'll hold you to the good night. Let the water from the river take all your tears to the stream, to the lake. Make your salty teardrops sweet. Open your eyes and the world lies on your feet. But you know you're true inside. You used to dance with your heart open wide. And the sun will tell you when you